Alrighty, welcome back. We're
1 kilometer. The destination is on your right. 271 Prospect Road.
we're on the hunt. Queen Jolene's on the camera. I'm your man, Badgehead, and we're on the hunt. Jolene got a text message from somebody that had an old truck. They had bought a property or a farm, and they were wondering if we would be interested in it. We got a few pictures of it, and we're going to come take a look at it. Basically, we're probably 3/4 of an hour away from home. We're probably about 2 or 3, 4 minutes away from it, and we decided to bring you along with us, and we're going to check it out. He said it was a 40 Ford?
44.
A 44 Ford? I don't think that'd be a 44. I think that's
271 Prospect Road.
That's wartime. But anyways, we're going to check it out. I'm going to go this one just because I didn't want to interrupt the guy. So we went past where we were supposed to go, and that's all right. We'll just turn her around. I think I'll wait. So we're going to take a look at it. I don't believe it's a 44 Ford, and the reason being is I'm not sure if they even made one because of the war, but we'll take a look at it. If you do not go take a look, then you will not know, basically. Looks like a nice place. Let's sit here. We be here. Alrighty. I'll ask him if he minds us filming first. How you doing? Do you mind if we film?
Sure.
Sure.
Shit in the yard, but I gotta clean up.
Hey man, I got a bunch of shit around too.
How's it going? Hey.
Nice to meet you. Are you related to Sarsfields and
Yeah.
Canning? Oh, well, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you called.
Oh yeah. I got this place, and then I got some stuff that came along with it. So
Right on.
try and just clean it up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's a good looking spot.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's go back here. Yeah, I just run the farm across the road here. So
Okay.
this house came up.
Keeping true to the family tradition, are you?
Oh yeah.
Run the farm, what? Can't get away from it, eh?
No. No, this is
This is the mess you've been left?
yeah. I knew. Wish I just didn't know.
I think it's a Chevy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a Chevy.
Okay, probably is then.
Just by the grill and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, is it? Should I just get in there somehow? Which way should I get in there? Just go for it.
Yeah,
This must be the door off it.
It could be. Yeah. I hauled it out. There's a.
Yeah. I just want to take a look at the bottoms of them, that's all. See what kind of shape they're in. Look at that now, would you? Can't ask no more help than that. They look good. Well, someone's put a piece on it, that's better. That looks good.
There's a few other little pieces out back there.
Okay. I'm just going to take a look if you don't mind.
Yeah.
And they didn't want to take the truck with them, eh?
No, I don't think.
Somebody started to do some work on this bad boy, you know that?
I think they put some. I think he said there was some Mustang parts underneath.
That's just what I was looking at. I was looking at the chassis there. Someone's did some chassis work to it. It doesn't look that bad, to be honest, the chassis work. It's got a rack and pinion in it. The front fenders are to be desired for a little bit, maybe. But that's what old cars are all about.
Oh yeah. I think he said. Yeah, I think he was a 44. He said.
I'll get another door there.
I should have had her cleaned up.
It is on a chassis.
It's got quite the front end on it.
Yeah, it's pretty distinctive.
And there's some other stuff over there. Like I don't know if that's the black part of the back there behind you that's leaning up against that. I don't know if that goes to it.
That is another back window section, looks like to me.
Yeah.
It's like a back window section. Yeah, there is some stuff. There's a back fender there. Geez, he boxed the frame in. Someone did a bunch of work to it, eh?
Yeah.
Like the chassis part, they did a bunch of work to it. I'm not. This door, they put a bottom on this door. Put a cab corner on it. They did. They were going for it, that's for sure.
Are these ones rare? Or
What's that?
are these ones?
Is this rare?
in here?
To be in this shape.
Yeah.
There's half a hood there. Maybe half a hood there, maybe.
Yeah, there's some other stuff out back there.
Okay. Which way should I go? This way or that way? Guess it doesn't much matter.
We can go do a loop.
I don't know what to say. There's a piece of hood there. Piece of hood.
Maybe like a two-piece hood?
Yeah, like a butterfly sort of thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, someone started to do some work to it. Door's in nice shape. This one is, anyways.
Probably be just to see, I don't know. Hopefully they don't mind the grass.
No, if you like old cars, you don't mind grass.
Yeah.
What do we got here now?
That's a front. This stuff's not in that great shape, but I'm guessing that's probably the only thing that's worth anything right there.
Yeah, you might get a piece off it.
But yeah,
You
that's,
might, yeah.
that's the only other stuff.
She's pretty tinned out.
Yeah, that's
The most worthy thing there is that piece of copper.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
That piece of channel iron down there probably worth something to somebody.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, man, I'll tell you, that's something else, that is.
Yeah, so
What do you got here? Huh, that's pretty cool.
yeah, this place came with a lot of stuff.
An old knife sharpener thing.
Mm.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Sit on that and pedal that thing away. You got a seat on it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it cleaned up.
Yeah, for sure.
For winter.
Yeah. Some springs.
Fix the inside up all spring and summer now. I'm trying to get this dealt with.
There you go.
After that guy, are you?
Well, look at there now, would you?
I better get out of the way. You got a camera in your hand.
This is where you live, eh?
Yeah.
You hide your Galaxy in there?
Yeah.
Right on.
Turn over with you. On.
Okay.
Turn your camera off.
No, we got to see what you got. Got to see what you got. There's a half a hood there. A piece there.
I don't know, that's probably not.
You can see the back of the cabs chewed off there.
Yeah.
Do you have an idea what you want for it?
I don't even know what's worth.
Well, basically, to be honest with you,
I just knew you'd probably do something with it.
probably I would. Probably something, but it's just... I think the chassis could be, dealt with a little bit. Could possibly have something done to it. I don't know what to say.
You think about it, let me know. It doesn't matter.
Think about it, don't matter. Dun, dun, dun. Do you have any idea what you want for it?
I had no sweet clue.
No sweet clue. Well, it ain't worth a whole bunch.
No, I know. That's what. Yeah, I knew that.
If you know what I'm saying.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I just heard that you were looking for some, like, people
Yeah.
going on, you were looking for stuff. So
Yeah, for sure.
I thought I'd reach out before I just drug it out and probably,
Trashed it?
Yeah.
What do you think, Jolene? What do you think? The Mustang 2 stuff, if it's done decent, it'd be pretty cool. Like They're trying to lower it down, obviously. And what would you do? Just give me all the tin that's there?
Oh yeah, anything you want.
Anything you want. Just get it out of there.
Yes, there is the other door there.
There's another door there. It's not much of a door.
No.
The door he's got there is probably the best one. He's obviously put a piece on it already, which is nothing to me.
Yeah.
$400.
Yeah.
I mean, if you took it somewhere to fix it, you'd probably spend 50, 60,000 on it. If you know what if you know what I'm trying to say, like it's really, and you got there's no paperwork with it.
No, probably not.
No, and so.
All right, I got one other buddy there that kind of showed interest. I'll talk to him and I'll definitely let
Yeah.
him.
For sure.
Can't say him wanting it.
No. It's just kind of.
Yeah.
It is what it is. But I do think the chassis could be worth something.
Yeah.
And you talk to him because if I raise my price, then he.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
What's she do? Clip you up with a mic?
I guess so.
Oh man, he's right on you. Cool. All right, so if you get a hold of him, you figure it out, and
No,
you know.
we'll do that. Sure. Yeah. You go over talk to Ivan.
See what he's up to. Do you visit much?
Oh yeah. Yeah. I know him a little bit.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks for calling us.
No. Thank you.
So when will you let us know?
Oh, probably tonight or that. Does that work?
Sounds good. Man, I'd love to have that.
You got fuel.
Man, that must be brand new without a spanking, is it?
Yeah, that one's brand new. Yeah, I got 4 of them this year. We got like probably 15.
Tractors are so
15 of them
expensive,
that
man.
Haul apples.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, nothing's cheap, is it?
Yeah, this is the pie maker.
Yeah.
They make pies,
Yeah.
right?
Pies and apples.
Pies and apples. They started it all. If anybody's ate one of them little tiny pies, isn't your grandmother that started that or something?
Yeah, yeah,
The little tiny pies like that, his grandmother started it.
yeah.
Alrighty, thank you.
Well, thanks for coming in.
We're going to go over and visit a neighbor, then we'll be back.
Yep, sounds
Okay,
good.
cool.
All right. See ya.
Yeah, good meeting you. Ivan's part of the car world. I just didn't know he lived here. Oh, he's working on one. Oh, he's got a couple. All right.